In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Canva app on your PC. So what you first need to do is open up a web browser. I'm on Google Chrome. Then go ahead and search for Canva. Now, once you're inside of the Google search results, go ahead and click on Canva. And from here, you'll be prompted to log in. So go ahead and log in the top right-hand corner. Then we can navigate to the download of the app. I'm going to log in with my account here, so we'll click continue. So here we are logged in. Now, you can obviously always use the web browser version, but if you need the app, go to the button in the top right-hand corner, which will say personal and your name. You can then go ahead and scroll down, and here you'll see get the Canva apps. Go ahead and click on that, and you'll be able to download Canva for Windows 10 and later. Once you've done that, and you've clicked on the button, it will start a download, and that's going to download the installation wizard. Now that is 152 megabytes, so it might take a couple of minutes, but go ahead and open it once it has downloaded. Then it's going to run this installation wizard, which is a very simple installation wizard. And there you go. Once you've run it through the first time, accept the cookies, and make sure you click here, log in through browser, and then choose your web browser. Mine is Google Chrome. It will then redirect you back to Chrome, and it's going to ask you to continue. So click yes, continue to the Canva app, open Canva. It should then log you in, and there you go, you're now inside the Canva app. You can go ahead and then find the app by going to your computer and typing in Canva. From here, you can right click and pin to start or the taskbar. I hope that helped you out.